Hello, this is Dave from cookwithdave.com, and today I'm going to make scrambled eggs in a stainless steel pan just to show how to do it without having the eggs stick. I prefer stainless over just about everything. If you do it right, you'll see that nothing is going to stick to the pan. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat the pan on about a medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot, but you do want the pan to be fully heated before we add in our fat, which in this case I'm going to use butter, but you could use oil or you could use Pam. I prefer butter. It certainly adds to the taste. So once we get the pan hot enough, I actually had this preheating a little bit before I started, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the butter. And we're going to stir that around, making sure that we get it up on the sides as well, so that the eggs don't stick to the sides. There we go. And then as soon as we get that going, you want to keep that moving. We don't want that to burn. And then before it does start to burn, we're going to add our eggs and lower the heat just a little bit. And then what we want to do is we want to just keep pulling the eggs to the center. And just keep moving. You don't want to walk away from it. Doesn't take very long. And you see we have nice thickening bits of egg there. Now I also didn't put any salt or pepper on anything yet. I like to do that at the end. And there. You see how quickly that goes. And we're going to actually turn down the heat. You see that didn't really take any time at all. Now, it's said that eggs that are cooked in the pan are overcooked on the plate. I tend to agree. I like mine a little runny. You can certainly, cook that a little longer. Right now I'm going to add my bit of salt and pepper. And then I'll show you how it slides right off. Those little bits there. Normally nothing stays in the pan when I do that, but of course when I'm videoing it does. There we go. And there we go. We see nothing burned on the pan. They'll come right off under running water. And we have our nice eggs, no brown on the eggs, and just very, very perfectly done. So hopefully this helps, and thank you very much. If you want to see some more tips on cooking and recipes and what have you, it is cookwithdave.com. Thank you.